This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Kilgore. Location. 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 Pool home, no HOA fee. This house is ready for its new owners. Take a look at this lovely split open floor plan home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bath with a den. Perfect opportunity for a first-time buyer. Newer roof in 2016 and new pool pump this year. Cool down in the summer in your screen-enclosed pool. Unwind in your large master bedroom with private bathroom and large closet. Lots of space in this house. Large kitchen overlooking in the great room, large pantry, all kitchen appliances stay. Indoor laundry room, oversized 2-car garage, and access to Lake Elsie. Short 5-minute drive to Publix, local hospital, shopping and restaurants. 5 to 10-minute drive to downtown Tavares or Mount Dora. 45-minute drive to Orlando. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.